The best thing about being the cousin of a billionaire is that no one cares that I've been wasted off my face since 6 o'clock this morning. Yeah! I'm so wasted I can see Jesus. Pshaw, there's no such thing as Jesus. Wake up, whānau, get your land back. I'm so wasted, I'm paranoid. Who said that? Nah, I'm not there. Who said that? Another day that I won't remember. Being rich as the ships. Come on, math. Get in there. My joke's illegal. Billy Ray, this is pretty much the same job I had at TVNZ. At Television New Zealand, standing around smoking weed with the boss all day. Weed is fucking awesome! Kiwi! The best thing about being a 10-year-old drug dealer is that we already made more money than our mum and dad ever did without sucking dick. Yeah, we had it now. Now give us the jugs or you're going to jail. Nah, sweet ass, that's okay. Please, give me some jugs. It's Friday for fuck's sake, and alcohol just won't do it. The older I get, the more I realize getting wasted is a good thing compared to not being wasted. The older I get, the more I realize love is another word for addiction. Man, I love me some drugs and now love me right back. I'm so wasted I can smell ninjas. I'm so wasted I can feel words in my mouth. Pussy, 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 tits, pussy, tits, pussy, tits, pussy, tits. I'm so wasted, bacon and eggs. Bacon and eggs, nigga. Yeah. Come on, Coke. Kick in, Coke. Come on, Viking, and kick in, baby, kick in. Who the fuck likes Diet Pepsi? I'm so wasted. Fuck New Zealand on here.